We made a deal with Indonesia. I spoke to their really great president, very popular, very strong, smart. And we made the deal. We have full access to Indonesia, everything.
Terlihat bahagia sekali Presiden Donald Trump setelah membuat kesepakatan dengan Presiden Prabowo. Hingga menyanjung sangat tinggi Presiden tercinta kita ketika mengumumkan tarif dagang 19% untuk Indonesia. Buat kalian yang belum tahu, bahwa Presiden kita adalah seorang diplomator handal dari semua pemimpin global. Dengan gaya beliau yang luwes, lincah, ramah, lembut ketika bernegosiasi secara resmi maupun via telepon. Setelah sebulan lalu berbincang lewat sambungan telepon, Presiden Prabowo Subianto kembali menerima sambungan telepon dari Presiden Amerika Serikat Donald Trump. Pada Selasa malam 15 Juli 2025, saat beliau masih berada di Eropa, dalam percakapan yang sangat serius, namun dalam suasana penuh kehangatan dan keakraban. Setelah proses negosiasi yang alot dan dengan memahami kepentingan masing-masing negara, akhirnya dicapai kesepakatan penurunan tarif impor dari 32% menjadi 19%. Terhadap produk-produk Indonesia, yang merupakan tarif dagang terendah di seluruh Asia oleh Amerika. Presiden bersyukur atas kesepakatan ini, begini kata beliau.
Ya, saya bicara dengan Presiden Donald Trump, ya Alhamdulillah juga penundingan alot akhirnya ada kesepakatan, kita juga akan istilahnya kita memahami kepentingan mereka memahami kepentingan kita dan kita sepakati sekarang kalau nggak salah ya tarifnya dari 32 diturunkan jadi 19. Ya saya tetap saya katakan beliau ini seorang negosiator yang cukup keras juga gitu. Iya memang kita kan perlu untuk membesarkan Garuda ya. Garuda adalah kebanggaan kita. Garuda adalah flag carrier nasional. Garuda lahir dalam perang kemerdekaan kita. Jadi Garuda harus menjadi lambang Indonesia. Kita bertekad, saya bertekad untuk membesarkan Garuda. Dan untuk itu ya kita butuh pesawat-pesawat baru ya. Dan saya kira nggak ada masalah karena kita butuh. Mereka ingin jual pesawat Boeing juga cukup bagus. Kita juga tetap dari Airbus ya. Jadi akhirnya terjadi pertemuan dua kepentingan. Kita juga butuh sebagai contoh kita masih import BBM, kita masih import gas, kita masih perlu import gandum, kita masih perlu import kedelai dan sebagainya. Jadi akhirnya kita bisa dapat suatu titik pertemuan. Ya kita terus akan namanya hubungan dagang itu terus menerus kita negosiasi ya. Semua sudah kita hitung, semua kita berunding ya. Kita juga memikirkan yang penting bagi saya adalah rakyat saya. Yang penting saya harus lindungi pekerja-pekerja kita. Walaupun kita juga punya sikap ya. Ini tawaran kita nggak mampu memberi lebih. Tapi yang penting bagi saya pekerja-pekerja kita aman dan saya sangat optimis ekonomi kita dalam kondisi yang kuat. Apapun terjadi kita akan kuat. Kenapa?
Puas dengan angka 19% atau akan dinegosiasi?
Ya kalau puas ya 0%. Oke.
Sehat selalu ya Pak.
Kita simak pendapat dari Presiden Amerika Donald Trump.
Made a deal with Indonesia. I spoke to their really great president, very popular, very strong, smart. And we made the deal. We have full access to Indonesia, everything. As you know, Indonesia is very strong on copper. But we have full access to everything. We will pay no tariffs. So they are giving us access into Indonesia, which we never had. That's probably the biggest part of the deal. And the other part is they are going to pay 19%, and we are going to pay nothing. I think it's a good deal for both parties. And we have a couple of those deals that are going to be announced. Now, Indonesia has some great product, and they also have some very valuable earths and various other materials. One of the things, as you know, they're known for is very high quality copper, which we'll be using.
Namun anehnya, kabar bahagia ini justru diprotes oleh warganya sendiri. Seperti pada akun TikTok @KCLMFT ini, kita simak bagaimana pendapatnya.
Demonstrating the art of the deal in real time for us. Tronald just negotiated a deal where Americans pay 19% more for goods shipped from Indonesia, and in return, there's no tariffs to the Indonesians. Isn't that fun? Our ranchers, farmers, and fishermen will have complete and total access to the Indonesian market of over 280 million people. In addition, Indonesia will pay the United States a 19% tariff on all goods they export to us, which means we will be paying that extra 19%. Thanks, Tronald.
Di akun ini pula, @nich6867, ia mengatakan bahwa sesungguhnya tarif 19% itu dibebankan kepada mereka, dan bukan kepada rakyat Indonesia. Kita simak pendapatnya.
So it's a really, really crap deal. So Donald Trump said today that he signed a new agreement with Indonesia, and I'm going to expose a few points of it. I'm not going to do all of it because I don't have the time, but let me just go into some of it. So first of all, let's talk about this. Donald Trump said that he has agreed with Indonesia to import U.S. energy into Indonesia of $15 billion. It's going to be fantastic. This is amazing. Until you find out in 2024 it was actually 15.5 billion. So Donald Trump has just lost the United States of America $500 million. Good job, Sparky. Second one, the 777s, the Boeing 777s that Donald Trump was talking about in regards to 50 of them, they're going to pick up 50 of them, was agreed previously under Joe Biden, and things stalled because there were some bilateral agreements and trade agreements that needed to be sorted out. So the 50 Boeing 777s was a Biden deal that had lapsed. This isn't a Donald Trump deal. It's Biden. So while he is blaming Biden for everything, at the same time he's claiming Biden's successes as his own. Also, let's talk about the tariff. So there's going to be a 19% tariff on Indonesia. And so this is what Donald Trump actually said. They are paying 19% and we are not paying anything. That's not true. It's a 19% tariff on everything from Indonesia that's important to the United States, imported to the United States, which means that everything that is imported to the United States, the American consumer from the products from Indonesia pays an extra 19%. He says we pay nothing. Actually, it's the Indonesians that pay nothing. So American products that go to Indonesia, they're paying nothing on that. No extra. They're paying nothing extra in regards to a tariff. It's the Americans that are paying for it. Folks, there's one thing I just love doing in the world, and it's exposing Donald Trump's lies.
Jadi sebagai rakyat Indonesia kita santai aja nggak sih? Biarkan yang di sana ribut sendiri. Tapi kalau menurut kalian gimana? Tulis di kolom komentar. Blue Drew pamit, kita ketemu lagi di kabar terbaru selanjutnya. Terima kasih.
Ya kalau puas ya 0%. Oke.